Hi guys and welcome to intraday trade analysis video for the day. So in this video I'll be talking about what stock I traded today and where did I buy or where did I sell, and also how was the market opening today, and also we'll quickly see the Nifty indices analysis and how the market was open today and how the Nifty is closing today. So I'll tell you all these things in the video, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So, in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things, and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also, once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you will be getting everyday live market personal support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade what I did. So today I have traded on ICICI Bank, as you guys can see here. Okay, so today, according to my study and the strategy, above 1130 was a buy level, and if it goes below 1122, it was a short sell level for the day. Okay, so this was how I had planned the trade for the day, and as you guys can see here, the stock had come down today. It has not gone above 1130 to make a buy entry. So somewhere around here 1122, so somewhere over here the sell has been triggered, so I took my entry around 920, okay, in the morning itself. And later that you can see how the stock has come down for the day. So it has almost middle of 1110, and from there it has taken a support from here and it has tried to go up, but you can see it has almost been a range bounded position here, and the market is now almost in a closing time. And you can see today the Nifty 50 was fully bearish. Okay, so the market has closed in a downside today at minus 1.50% down. You can see it's almost close to now 1.50% down now. And also today the pre-open market opening looked like this. It was minus 0.35% down. Okay, and after that the market didn't try to go up. So overall for the full day the market was down, as you guys can see here. And this is how the Nifty 50 performed today. And yes, according to the Nifty 50 movement, even my trade of ICICI Bank has hit the target. Okay, so I short sold on 1122. I took my exit by almost booking 5 points, almost with 10,000 quantity. So that was the trade what I did today on ICICI Bank today. So this was today's trade, and let's quickly look at how all the indices has been performed for the day. So let me just quickly refresh it. So if we see the important sectoral indices, you can see Nifty Bank is down by minus 1.11% down today. Nifty Auto has gone up 0.84% up, and Nifty IT is just down by 0.24% up. Yes, a lot of IT stocks have performed in a bullish way today. So Infosys has gone up by 1% today. HCL Tech has also gone up by 0.61% today, and you can see a lot of others are declining. So this is how the indices has been performed overall. So Nifty Metal is again down by minus 2.64% down. Nifty Pharma again 2% down. You can see a lot of indices are closing in a very big declining percentage for the day. In that, only Nifty Auto for the day has gone up by 0.84% up. So yes, this is how the overall performance of the market has been today, and today's trade also I just showed you how we did. So if you guys wish to learn how to select like this stocks in intraday trading, and also want to learn how to make a proper entry and exit, and want to learn the full strategy and the trading system and tricks, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally, and I shall guide you to make the proper trades like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.